A Type 1 study is an MSA study where you take one product and you measure that product 25 to 50 times. The study can be used to establish the repeatability of the measurement system. This study is used as a first step in the MSA process, for example, when in an early stage only a few parts are available. You can start a Type 1 study by selecting a variable gauge in the Gauge catalog and right-click on the gauge and select New GR&R Type 1. Another way to start the study is to go to the Type 1 catalog and click the button New GR&R Type 1. In the next step, you select the gauge for the study. A third method is to right-click on an existing study to start a new one. When you start a new study, the general screen appears with information about the gauge selected, and you can enter relevant information about the study. You can enter a part and characteristic, or if the system is integrated with the Datalyzer SPC system, you can pick from the existing SPC configuration. When you click on the tab Dataset, the screen to enter measurement data and results appears. First, you need to enter the reference value and the number of measurements you're going to take. The number of measurements needs to be higher than or equal to 25 and less than or equal to 50. The data entry spreadsheet will be automatically adjusted according to your selection. On the right side, you can enter the specification limits, or if you have selected a chart from the SPC system, the specifications of that chart are shown. Then the study is performed, and the results are entered. This can be done cell by cell, or you can copy and paste from Excel. When all results are entered, the results will be shown. The basic statistics are shown on the right side. When you review the control chart, all values should be within the control limits. If you have values out of control, you need to address this problem and look for an assignable cause. On the results page, you see the p-value is less than 0.05, indicating there is bias in the data which is not acceptable. The CG indexes and the percentage EV in the example shown are acceptable. Because this only tells you something about repeatability, the next step is a Type 2 study to establish the reproducibility.